Hello everyone, my name is Kuranon Silkung. Today we are going to be learning about the constant principle. It is often used in probability and statistics.
In real life, there are away problems that use the knowledge of counting, such as planning football events. The knowledge of counting, such as addition principle, multiplication principle, permutation principle, and grouping principle. But this script we talk about addition principle and multiplication principle. If you are ready, okay, let's go. Okay, right. Let's start with the first part, the addition principle. Let's observe this situation. On the menu of the water shop, there are 4 fruit juice and 3 soft drinks. If you want to order one drink, how many ways can you try? For the situation, it can be seen that there are 4 fruit juice to choose from and 3 soft drinks to choose from. So there are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are a total of 7 ways to order. For this situation, the constant is divided into 2 cases, 1 case, 2 cases. But of which not redundant therefore. So let's combine the drink in both cases. We get 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. So it is called the addition principle. Situation 2. On the menu of the restaurant, there are 3 Thai foods and 3 China foods. If you want to order one food, how many ways can you try? From the situation, it can be seen that there are 3 Thai foods and 3 China foods. So there are a total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are a total 6 ways to order. From this situation, the constant is divided into 2 cases, both of which not redundant. Therefore, the food items in both cases are addressed together. We get 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So, it is called the addition principle. The addition principle. Say and you see this little box here. There are n ways of performing one step and n ways of performing another step. If we cannot perform both steps, then here are m plus n ways to perform one of steps. Okay, Let's think of the first example. The first example. To travel from Bangkok to Krabi tomorrow, Mo Salah has a choice between 6 different flights and 5 different trains. How many choices does he have? So, consider to travel from Bangkok to Krabi as follows. From the example, there are 6 different flights and there are 5 different trains. From the addition principle, we get 6 plus 5 is 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. So has a total alternative path. This is a straightforward example. Next, let's look at a more different example. Example 2. Chicken cup being 9 square sharp tiles, with each side of 1 unit length. Arrange codes together as shown in the picture. How many squares are there in the arrangement? From the picture, there are 3 sides of square shape. The first side is a square with a side length 1 unit that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 pictures. The second side is a square with a side length 2 units has 1, 2, 3, and 4 pictures. The third side is a square with a side length 3 units has 1 picture. A side length 1 unit 9 square. A side length 2 units 4 square. A side length 3 units 1 square. From the addition principle, we get 9 plus 4 plus 1 is 14. 9 plus 4 plus 1 is 14. The total squares are 14. The addition principle is that we are the number of methods in each case.
Okay, how what is in addition principle? Let's move on the second part, the multiplication principle. You are ready? Okay, let's go.
Let's start with this situation. The restaurant has 2 servers, foods and 3 desserts. If a customer wants 1 service dish and 1 dessert, how many ways does he have to choose to order food? One way to find that answer is to drawing it out. We will get a picture like this. We can see that we have 6 possible options. How come? I could have multiplied 2 times 3 2 times 3 to find how have 6 possible outcomes. So, it is called the multiply principle. The multiplication principle say, and you can see this little box here. If there are m ways of performing one step, and then are n ways of performing another step, then there are m times n ways of performing both steps. Okay, let's think of the first example. The first example. How many plants are there from point P to point R, traveling from left to right? To starting point P or right, there are 4 ways to get from point P to point Q, and there are 3 ways to get from point Q to point R. From the multiplication, we get 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. So, there are 12 paths from point P to point R. Okay, next, let's look at the more difficult example. Example 2. A department store has 10 grades. If Sarah wants to enter and exit the department store without using the same door, how many ways should Sarah be able to choose the door to enter and exit? Start with a two-step process. Enter and exit. One enter, there are 10 grades. To choose from the problem without using the same door. One door has been used, so now there are only 9 grades for exit. We get 10 times 9 is 90. 10 times 9 is 90. So Sarah can choose from 90 ways to get in and out of the door. Okay, we will have to stop here. Next, we will summarize what we learning today. In summary, the first part, the addition principle, is that if there are m ways of performing and there are n ways of performing, then there are m past n possible outcomes. The second part, the multiplication principle, is that if there are m ways of performing and there are n ways of performing, there are m times n performing outcomes. Okay, that is all for this script.
Okay, Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. How was it? Did you receive any knowledge? I hope this video will be useful for you. Okay, see you next clip. Bye bye.